We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2017 Indian Springfield. This one is in Thunder Black. Has the locking saddlebags, passenger seat and backrest, floorboards for the rider, engine guards, nice tall windshield, this one does have ABS. We also have the 111 cubic inch engine and passenger floorboards as well. We run on a fob, so we're keyless. We do have a power button. Miles are 12,252. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.